But what is the meaning of sending MPs to the Speaker's chamber?
Okay.
And what is the
Okay.
meaning
Venugopal
of...
ji, please come.
अभी तक भी हम लोगों ने कोई सीसीटीवी फुटेज हम लोग ने रिलीज नहीं किया है। अगर ये वेणुगोपाल जी इस तरह झूठ बोलेगा और उस दिन कांग्रेस सांसदों का व्यवहार स्पीकर चैम्बर में क्या हुआ, सीसी फुटेज रिलीज होगा, ये लोग शर्मसार हो जाएगा, ये लोग शर्मसार हो जाएगा। हम लोग ओछी राजनीति नहीं करते हैं। आपका एमपीज का बिहेवियर अगर दुनिया ने देखा तो आप लोग शर्मसार होगा, इसलिए झूठ मत बोलो।
No. I'm not yielding. Sir, if you have got such information, that's a serious thing.
Allegation against the speaker.
If you have got such information, that's a serious thing.
ऐसा नहीं होगा।
You have to.
Just a minute.
We are discussing about resolution on speaker.
Just a minute.
Sir, Venugopal ji, you have made a very serious allegations against the speaker's statement. I have to speak because this house cannot be. We are discussing on the resolution to remove speaker. So while we are discussing, while we are making allegation, we must be very, very careful that what is the nature of that allegation. Honorable Speaker Om Birla ji is not sitting on the chair, so he is not here to make clarification to the allegation you have made. Now he is not in the chair right now. My point is, since you have made a very serious allegation about the sitting speaker, that you speaker's statement about the threat by the women MPs who were rushing to the well and garrowing in front of the seat where Honorable Prime Minister sits.
ठीक है, किरण जी.
Now, that day, Venugopal ji, you yourself was present there. Don't disturb. No, I'm talking to you. Don't disturb. So, you don't disturb. Venugopal ji, you were there. And Priyanka Gandhi Vadra was also there. Rahul ji was not there on that day. Rahul Gandhi ji, you were not there that day. Venugopal ji, look at me. Venugopal ji, you were there on that day. Nearly 25-30 Congress MPs went there. I was there present in the house when I saw your entire MPs rushed inside the speaker's chamber. Then I also went inside the speaker's chamber.
जी.
One of your MPs released an illegal video. How your MPs were threatening the speaker.
Okay.
I have never seen in the entire parliamentary history that
Okay.
MPs can go to the speaker's chamber and threatening the speaker.
आप बोलेंगे बाद में
I have
और
made it very clear from the day
मंत्री जी
one.
आप बाद में और बोलेंगे.
We may have differences,
कंटिन्यू करने
but
दीजिए.
what is the meaning of sending MPs to the speaker's chamber?
Okay.
And what is the
Okay.
meaning
Venugopal
of...
ji, please continue. Venugopal ji, please continue. Okay. Venugopal ji, please continue.
Sir, I am taking the responsibility what I am said. Don't threaten me, Mr. Kiran Rijiju ji. What I am told, I am not told this was not because of the speakers alone. Because the Honorable Prime Minister didn't want to come that Parliament at all. This is an escape route created by yourself. Then you use the speaker position as a tool. Use the speaker position as a tool.
You have You have accused the speaker.
Use the speaker position as you want.
I am a witness. I am a witness to the incident
This is
that
not
day.
speaker alone fault.
I am the
This
witness.
is your fault.
Don't
Your
lie.
prime minister is not ready to come to the parliament.
If the CC footage
किरण जी
is
वेणुगोपाल जी
released,
प्लीज किरण जी एक मिनट वेणुगोपाल जी एक मिनट जब गौरव जी सुनिए जब वेणुगोपाल जी पार्लियामेंट अफेयर्स का मिनिस्टर का नाम लिया तो वो तो बोलेगा ही वो तो बोलेगा आपने नाम लिया तो बोलेगा नाम नहीं लेगा तो नहीं बोलेगा आप नाम क्यों लेते हैं बार बार
फिनिश कराइए
आप खत्म
You
कीजिए
only
please.
took the name
You
from me.
conclude your speech please.
Honorable chairperson,
time is over, conclude.
Honorable chairperson, don't become again partisan. He took my name only.
Yes.
He replied me. He is challenging me. He threatened me.
No.
That's why. No. Then I am telling. I am very much on my words. Parliamentary government want to create an escape route of prime minister not coming to the parliament through the speaker. This is what my point.
सर बैठाइए टाइम हो गया
आप खत्म कीजिए प्लीज कंक्लूड कंक्लूड प्लीज
Sir, every time he is disturbing. What is this?
Let him speak, sir.
sitting there. Why are you lying? Why are you lying?
You do what?
Don't mislead. Sir, I will make a very small clarification. Sir, अभी तक भी हम लोगों ने कोई सीसीटीवी फुटेज हम लोग ने रिलीज नहीं किया है। अगर ये वेणुगोपाल जी इस तरह झूठ बोलेगा और उस दिन कांग्रेस सांसदों का व्यवहार स्पीकर चैम्बर में क्या हुआ, सीसी फुटेज रिलीज होगा, ये लोग शर्मसार हो जाएगा, हम लोग ओछी राजनीति नहीं करते हैं। आपका एमपीज का बिहेवियर अगर दुनिया ने देखा तो हम लोग शर्मसार होगा,
ठीक है।
इसलिए झूठ मत बोलो।
प्लीज प्लीज कंटिन्यू वेणुगोपाल जी
sir,
प्लीज कंटिन्यू आप कंक्लूड कीजिए प्लीज कंक्लूड आप शेयर कर एड्रेस कीजिए वहाँ एड्रेस करेगा तो फिर ऐसे चलेगा शेयर कर एड्रेस कीजिए प्लीज सभी लोग बैठिए अपना सीट में बैठिए
Sir, thank you Kiran Rijiju ji for establishing and giving a clear example why this adjournment of this impeachment motion brought to this in this house. Because how many times you woke up now?
Please.
How many times chair given mic to parliamentary affairs minister? This is the state of affairs of this parliament now. This government is thinking, this leader of opposition earlier told, this parliament is for everybody. This parliament for entire nation. But the government is thinking that this parliament is only for BJP.
Conclude please.
Because
party time
they
is
didn't
over.
want to hear the truth at all. If the truth come out, their leaders will be in danger. That they know.
Okay.
Therefore, they didn't want to hear any truth. That is why this much expression is coming from their side. Sir, Honorable Speaker, that day.
आप please conclude.
I'm telling you, I'm concluding, sir. I'm concluding.
जावेद साहब भी reply करेंगे.
Last point.
आप खत्म कीजिए please.
Last point, 349, Honorable, while stopping to the Honorable LOP, Honorable Speaker, that day quoted Rule 349. Of course, Rule 349 is very clear. You cannot quote a book or magazine, anything, which is not related to the business of the House. Rahulji was very much on the business of the House. He is speaking about the defense, which is very much related to the President's address. You removed, expunged it. You can see the records of the Parliament. Whatever Rahul Gandhi is saying, most of the words has been expunged. Whatever Nishikant Dubai is saying, in that day itself, to Matriarch Prime Minister, he spoke about a very bad language, to Matriarch Prime Minister of this country. Shame! And he quoted the books. He quoted the books.
Cannot be quoted.
Rule 349 is only applicable to Rahul Gandhi.
Venugopal
It is
ji-
not applicable to Nishikant Dubey or any other member.
You were present
What
that
is this? What is this?
unpublished book. He's referring unpublished book.
No. He got.
No.
He got. Yes.
Already clarified.
Yes.
Already clarified.
Sir. Sir, I will tell. Rahul Gandhi, Speaker told that. I will remind you, sir, again.
Conclude,
Speaker told that, please authenticate it. Rahul ji told, I am ready to authenticate it. Speaker told, don't quote book. No, I am not quoting the book. I am quoting the magazine only. Then Speaker told, don't quote magazine. Then Rahul ji told, I am not quoting the
you know
magazine.
better that
I am
book is not
only,
published yet.
I am only
You know
expressing
better
my
that book is
concern
not
about the
published yet.
defense security of
He's
this
referring
country.
unpublished book. Unpublished book.
This is not, that's what I'm telling,
Conclude,
sir.
please,
That is what I'm telling. Whether it is published book, whether it is not published book, he spoke about, he shared the concern of the defense security of this country.
Okay. Please conclude.
The LOP didn't have that freedom to say in the parliament. When he heard about these things, government can reply that this is not happened. Why don't Prime Minister has to say, this is not happened, this is bogus. Rahul Gandhi is lying. Then you are telling it is not a published book. That is not the concern of the country. Concerns of the country is the defense security.
The Prime Minister said that or not?
Whether the Prime Minister came and said that,
conclude.
no, Rahul Gandhi is lying. Sir, I think Marshal is giving the time. Yes. We are, because this is a non-confidence motion. At least give us to time. Because why we are bringing all this motion? This system, they hijacked entire system of the country. They completely misused the Enforcement Directorate, CBI, income tax.
Okay.
They completely misused the Election Commission of this India.
Okay.
They are trying to misuse judiciary of this
Honourable
country.
member, Sis-
Now
Sis-
they
Sayani
completely want to judiciary,
Sayani
the parliament of this country. Sir, I am concluding. Sir, they want to misuse entire
Susri
system of this
Sayani
country.
You please conclude.
You start.
Sayani Ghosh. You please start.
धन्यवाद
Let him.
हेलो धन्यवाद
Sir,
आप बैठिए please. I am
Sir,
allowed.
this
I am allowed.
resolution
Please.
is not just about removing a speaker. It is about restoring the soul, the dignity and the independence of the Lok Sabha and independence of the nation. Thank you very much, sir.